right, super lap battle. We're walking the pit lane now. I'm here with the one and only. Let's see what else we can get into. I'm gonna start this off with a little bit of racing action, some car shows, and some drifting. Anyways, here's one garage. He's checking out the cars there. The Lotus. It's nice, it's early. There's a BMW M2, whatever team that is, that thing is fast. And this one's loud.
Just a reminder.
Nice Type R. It's a wild looking vet. Crazy. Turbos just kind of sitting out. Well, the turbos are mounted down here. So that's the intake manifold, see? So if you look down there on the side. Now this Camaro, we've seen this one before last year. It's absolutely nuts, as you can see. Pulling all the cars out so that you can do like a little pit walk. Oh, you looking, what happened? You like what you see? STI out here? I don't think I saw him run, but that's dope. That's dope to see. Pretty wild looking, huh? They even like how the exhaust looks. Okay, like the unlimited classes out there, you can't hear nothing right now. If I'm saying something, you probably just hear a car screaming by me. But that car's ridiculous. There's a few supercars kind of scattered about here, so sometimes you'll see me just shoot the camera around and it'll show something special, okay? We got some F430s here, classic Ferraris. There is a lot of BMWs here today, this time. Like a lot. Like the amount of BMWs that are racing has increased exponentially. A lot of them. We got a Lotus Emira. Got two of them. Yellow one, a little burgundy, red one in the back. Of course, you know there's gonna be Porsches here. GTRs are here as well too. They pull the cars out, let people check them out before they get back on the track again. What you were saying before is this MK2 GTI. This is absolutely crazy. This is ridiculous. With the K20 swap, come on now. What are we talking about?
Good try.
Crazy. This is a crazy build. This is crazy. You want to talk about grassroots? Like, the wing is nuts. The diffuser is crazy. Man, ingenuity. Who thought that my old MK2 GTI could have became this? I was sleeping on the potential. 4GT, like, I say Le Mans racer? I don't even know what else to say. I mean, it's basically full-blown race car. We know who this is. famous. Been running this thing everywhere, all over. From here to Japan to all over the globe, breaking records and whatnot. The Evo over there is real clean. Lotus just cracked a lap record. All right, we're at the car show section. Couple nice cars already, outside of the loud music right there, but RSX is actually really nice. Haven't seen one that clean in a while. Also, there's a bunch of other cars over in the distance. See a Porsche 3000 GT, Civic hatchback with a wide body, a full VIP build. This is a really clean RX-7. I've seen it Subaru before, but I always like it. Especially those wheels. SSR's Formula Mesh, a Cobalt SS. Man, I haven't seen one this clean in. It's a very well built Cobalt SS. What is going on a Cobalt? Yo, what? There's a few things in there. I showed you something. Ain't not that much. I'm really here for the Super Lap Battle. The Just Vibes car show is kind of like a bonus, but there's a few little cars I saw there that I thought were interesting. That Apollo that they got racing up there sounds crazy. But we're now going over to the grandstand. We're gonna go see if we can possibly sit by turn 1. If we can't, after that, we'll walk back. We'll go see some drifting. We just ate some food. I had a pretty fire corn dog. Not gonna lie, that joint was slapping. We're making our way over to drifting. Check out a little bit of the drift action, see what that's like. I am gonna go, there's like a bridge, I don't know if you can see it, like a bridge over my shoulder. I'm gonna go back over there to get some more footage of the racing before we head out of here. But drifting next. Got action. All right, we out of here. It was a good day, good racing day. Got you a little bit of footage here and there. I wasn't giving you the whole entire day because, I mean, come on now. Usually people don't want to see racing unless they're really there in person. But if you never came to Super Lap Battle, you should. There's an install video coming, there's a podcast coming. You know the drill. Like, subscribe to the channel, join the journey. You're missing out if you're not. I'll see y'all around soon. Peace.